Thanks for joining us. This is Bizot Nigeria TV News Briefs, and here are the highlights for today. Equities market declines by 0.9% as quarter 2 begins. FIRS threatens tax offenders with travel ban. National Sports Commission to spend 1.4 billion naira on capital projects. Stakeholders advocate unification of forex rates. Ogun gets $200 million investment to boost industrialization. Nigeria's external reserves continue to dwindle, falls by 5% in March. BMW's March sales increase trumps Mercedes US luxury sales lead. I am Blessing.
And I am Precious. Equities market declines by 0.9% as Q2 begins. The Nigerian Stock Exchange All-Share Index fell by 0.9% to close at 38,383.05 yesterday, causing the Nigerian equities market to begin the second quarter on a negative note. The negative performance followed profit-taking by investors after the market had a 5-day bull run on the back of impressive 2013 financial corporate results. Impressed by the results and dividends declaration for the 2013 financial year, investors increased the demand for equities, which led to a 5-day rally.
FIRS threatening tax offenders with travel ban. Henceforth, those who circumvent tax obligations may risk a travel ban. The acting executive chairman, Federal Inland Revenue Service, Alhaji Kabir Mashir, gave this warning in Abuja at the Centennial Trade Fair organized by the Abuja Chamber of Commerce, Industry, Mines and Agriculture. According to him, given that the tax clearance certificate was becoming a key travel document requirement for Nigerians eyeing global destinations of choice, a few who may have decided to still run against the law might soon find it difficult to travel abroad. Represented by the Coordinating Director, Direct Reports Group, Hajia QS Seosime, Mashi said it was against the law to do transactions with companies and entities that have no taxpayer identification number and urged members of the public to be properly guided.
National Sports Commission to spend 1.4 billion naira on capital projects. The National Sports Commission has reviewed plans to expend 1.4 billion naira of its 5.5 billion naira budgetary allocation this year on capital projects. The Lagos National Stadium is off the list of projects to be executed as it is now being managed by a private outfit. In the defense of the budget by the Commission, there were highlights of specific areas of capital spending the Commission will focus on.
Stakeholders advocate unification of forex rates. Stakeholders in the financial market have stated that different forex rates in the country also contributes to the perennial volatility in the forex markets and have therefore called for the unification of the exchange rate markets. Presently, there are 4 forex market segments in the country. There is the retail Dutch auction system, otherwise known as the official market, where the price of the naira against the US dollar is heavily regulated by the Central Bank of Nigeria. Others are the interbank, parallel, and bureau de change markets. Stressing the need for a unified market, Managing Director, Chief Executive Officer, Financial Markets Dealers Quotation, Mr. Bola Onadele, insisted that the country needs just a single official market where eligible transactions could be processed, adding that the naira should be allowed to react to changes in economic fundamentals. On its part, the Financial Derivatives Company Limited recently faulted the country's exchange rate management system, saying it is responsible for the sustained downward pressure on the naira.
Ogun gets $200 million investment to boost industrialization. The industrialization drive of the Ogun State government has attracted a $200 million investment, which is expected to generate no fewer than 1,000 employment. According to the executive board member and coordinator, overseas investments of Hyatt Kenya Nigeria Limited, Mr. Ali Zaideh, having carried out a thorough business survey on the ECOWAS countries, the firm chose Nigeria due to its vast capital market and Ogun State in particular, as a result of the state's unequaled, conducive business environment. He revealed that the company intends to invest at least between $180 million and $200 million at optimal capacity, while not less than 1,000 people will be on the company's payroll.
Nigeria's external reserves continue to dwindle, falls by 5% in March. Nigeria's external reserves continue to dwindle as data released by the Central Bank of Nigeria on Tuesday showed that the nation's reserves dropped by $2.280 billion in the month of March. According to the CBN, Nigeria's external reserve closed at $37.836 billion on March 31st, 2014, representing a decline of $5.765 billion in the first quarter since January 1. Compared to the level a year ago, the reserves level dropped by $10.737 billion from $48.573 billion, which was very near its peak in 1 year. In its February 21, 2014 edition of Politics and Economic Research, Yobon Inhangu, analyst at Renaissance Capital, noted the likelihood of Nigeria's reserves came in under pressure and dropping by year-end to $35 billion and the inevitable devaluation of the Naira before June or shortly after.
BMW's March sales increase trumps Mercedes US luxury sales lead. German automobile manufacturer BMW has posted its best March sales ever in the United States, which trumped Mercedes-Benz 2014 lead. In a statement today, the luxury automaker sold 32,107 vehicles last month, an increase of 19% from a year earlier, led by its mid-size sedans and SUVs. Mercedes sold 27,401 vehicles last month, a gain of 11% from a year earlier, led by its top-of-the-line S-Class sedan and entry-level SUV. BMW reported a combined 14% increase to 10,120 deliveries for its 3 and 4 Series vehicles and a 46% jump to 4,430 for the X3 SUVs. Sales of Mercedes S-Class, which starts at $92,900, almost doubled to $2,299 in March, while the GLK, its most affordable SUV, at a starting price of $37,480, rose 24% to $3,345. BMW Search narrowed Mercedes' lead for the year to 237 vehicles from 4,943 at the end of February. BMW ceded the annual US luxury sales crown to Mercedes in 2013, ending a 2-year reign. And that'll be all.